Hello everyone, I'm going to do an unboxing and review about this model from Xcartoys, and I believe it is loaded with Chinese cabbage. I think that's the word in English. In the Netherlands we say Chinese kool. The reason I bought it, well, it comes with accessories. Oh, here we have a photo of it, so you can see how it looks. Very cool diorama, by the way. Bring your diecast to life. A lot of text, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Here the barcode and article number. Here we got the site. Packaging is also really cool. Don't know what this is saying. Maybe if you can read Chinese, you can translate it for me. I can also translate it with Google Translate, I know, with the camera, and I can read all this. But I'm going to do a review about the model, and that's the most important thing to me. And I hope also for you. Oh, there we go. Okay, here it probably says something about Chinese cabbage, how healthy it is, maybe a recipe, who knows? Oh, definitely have to use Google Translate. I want to know what it is saying. Oh, this is already looking really good. Let's take it out the package fast, because what I see is making me happy. Very well packed. Comes with a lot of accessories. Holy smoke. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where is it? Here. I love it, and I have to say, it looks very realistic. Very well detailed. Look at it. Holy smoke. Even some bricks underneath it. This is so cool. This is for the weight. To measure the weight, I guess. Yeah, think so. How cool is this? This is really well done. Okay, we got some more accessories right here. Not sure what this is. I have no idea what this is. And some more Chinese cabbage, Chinese kool. Oh yeah, we got an opening part right here. Oh, I was not expecting that. To be honest, oh yeah, it says here it's a Beijing BJ 130 light truck. That's the name of the truck. It got side mirrors, landslides, and it got an opening part. This is really cool with detailed engine parts. Oh, we can take this off. Well, hallelujah. I think this is hand painted. And if so, well, the painter did really well. It looks very realistic and also cool that you can take this out and use it for some other stuff. It's also a perfect fit. And this is all made out of metal. The back is also made out of metal. We have a metal base. Spare tire right here, double tires in the back. No steering wheels. Rims, I think they're authentic. Let's have a look right here. Okay, we got a 2-color interior. We got the steering wheels black and the seats are brown. Windscreen wipers are on the glass, not molded in the glass. Let's have a look at the back here. The lights are painted. No opening part here. Yeah, but I have to say, it is a fantastic model. Even if you don't like the model, the quality is really good. Very well thought of this, that you can take it off. Wow. Oh, and on the side mirrors there's silver sticker or paint, I don't know. Woohoo! Excellent. Yeah, what is this? Looks like those rocket things they have on helicopters. Something like that. I don't think it is. This is also a perfect combination. Let's see if I can find it. Hey, Poes, what are you doing? Hey, where are you going? Somebody wants to go outside. Is it here? Yes, it is here. Ha ha ha. Well, this is from Tomica. This comes with a figure, and I think this is a perfect match. Let's create some space. Right here. And then I think it's best to do this, yes. Yeah, this is really nice truck. Plastic base. It's from Tomica. Does have rubber tires, but I think it looks perfect here. Next to this. It's better to do something like this. Maybe I can do it like this. You know. Yeah. Or we do it like this. Might be possible. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. And I will see you soon. Have a very nice day. Bye.